We're Kenny and Nell. If you haven't watched our last couple of vlogs, then let us fill you in. We've come to St. Maarten for a couple of days, taking in the beautiful beaches and even a little bit of parasailing. And really, we're just trying to enjoy all of the beauty that this island has to offer. So we're taking in all of the sights, fantastic food, places to go, things to see and do. And I think this is where we left you off in the last video. That brings us to Airplane Day! That was cool.
That's much better when you're not trying to take pictures.
Alright, the first plane's coming in. I don't know which one it is. Kinda nervous.
Oh yeah, here it is.
Oh my god. Hey guys, we're sitting at Sunset Beach Bar on St. Maarten at Airplane Beach, and we've just ordered some food, and we just ordered the layover pizza. We almost lost it. So we're gonna give it a try. It's really good.
It's pretty good.
Also goes really well with a cold Presidente. The food here is good, the vibe is good. You can see the planes and everything, and you can watch all the chaos from over here, safe under a roof. So, all in all, totally recommended. If you're in St. Maarten, come here for the experience. Coming in from Philadelphia. This is the plane we should have been on yesterday, but it was delayed. Here we go. Okay, so this is round 2 at Airplane Beach. There's one coming in right now. I don't know where it's coming from. I think it's coming from Atlanta. It's a big plane. It's kind of scary because they look like they're coming right at you. Here it comes. Alright, it's already really windy, but we're going to attempt to get a small version of jet blast here. Okay. This is a minor version of it. Wow. That's crazy. Okay, I can't even imagine what the big jets feel like taking off. There's like just sand in your face and everything. All Alright, Kenny has decided to join me for this one.
Gonna join.
This is the Air France coming in from Paris. It's the biggest plane of the day.
Going to turn around here to look at it.
Is it coming? Can you see it?
It's a little far away yet.
We're standing right underneath where they're gonna land.
Yeah, we're
It's kind of terrifying if you don't turn around.
right in front of the runway. The street's right here.
Yeah.
The fence that you're not allowed to hang on anymore during
No.
takeoff is right 10 feet from us.
It can actually be really dangerous to stand here for jet blast because somebody died doing it.
It's rolling in.
Okay. I'm trying not to turn around.
Oh, I'm turning around.
This is a pretty cool experience. If you come to St. Martin, you have to do this.
It is. I mean, it's obviously a tourist trap from all the people you see,
Totally.
but with good reason. But don't only do that if you come here.
Oh, I feel like I see it. Here we go.
There it comes. You probably start to hear it.
Alright guys, I thought we were done with Airplane Beach, but apparently we're not. We're going back to get the jet blast experience. Yeah, so it should be kind of intense. There is an American Airlines flight that's leaving, that's going to go back to Charlotte, and it's a big jet, so it should be pretty crazy. We witnessed one earlier. Here comes Kenny. So we'll see. Okay, here we've got an Air Century. It looks like the size of a private jet. So we'll see. I'm gonna dig into the sand. Literally right behind this plane. Oh my gosh, that's so intense. That was just a small one. Oh my god. Alright, we've got another jet blast experience. This is Air Antilles. Let's see what this looks like. Patiently waiting for jet blast.
It is warm.
It is warm. You're really unhealthy breathing in all these fumes. Yeah, it's true. It's breezy. I feel like the runway is clear. And here he goes. It really was nothing compared to the last one. It was nothing. So coming towards us, we have an Air France that is going to take off. That is going to create some crazy jet blast. I don't know if I want to stand here for this. I might just record Kenny and Shorty because I'm pretty nervous. Yeah. I can't stand here. I'm just going to watch them. I've ever felt in my life. I wasn't even right behind it. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that sand hurts so bad. What did you think?
That was hard. Not as bad as I thought.
Really? Holy sh**. Oh my gosh.
I got that video. Oh man.
Oh my gosh.
totally bent
Things
my
just
knee
went crazy. Oh my gosh.
I got the right call. Keep sunglasses on, hold hat.
Did you?
Oh yeah, it was not.
Wow. Okay.
I also think I had the right call, like getting up further on the beach and less sand.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Keep talking back.